The last class we learned how to active in this
Contact
class
form.
today I'm going to show you a basic settings from a contact form. Last class I talked about this form, how to set up this form, and this is the default setting or the default form. Now I'm going to show you the contact form menu. Here this is the contact form. Here is three things, and contact form, this is the contact form, and add new, you know how to add a new form, and integration. So how to add a contact form we learned in the last class. So we set up this the last class, and this is the contact form we set up, and this is the default setting. Okay, add new, we know how to add a new form, and this an integration. You know what is the integration? Integration is reCAPTCHA. Okay, let's see. reCAPTCHA is that sometimes when you go any website, then you saw a message, I am not robot. So that is the reCAPTCHA. And if you want to do it in the reCAPTCHA in your website or in any page, then you have to make a account first from the Google reCAPTCHA. Okay, let's see what is it. Okay, this is the reCAPTCHA. This is the, if you do not have any account, so you have to create an account here first, and now this account you can integrate with your website. This is the reCAPTCHA. You see, this is the reCAPTCHA. Okay, come to below. Here is an example for reCAPTCHA. Okay, we will learn it in the next class. So let's go to learn about some tricks here. Last class we learned how to set up your email where visitors send email to you. This is the mail section. Here is form, mail, message, additional settings. So what is form? This is the contact form, basic settings. It was the default, and this is the mail section, the mail body. When visitors send you email, you got your an email to your inbox, and this was the message body. And come to the message, there are many default messages. Suppose when sender click the send button, so this message will show, thank you for your message, it has been sent. There are these messages, I think this is okay, no need to change. And if you want to change or add some more, so you can do it. Also see the message here, many messages for many action. And this is the additional settings. If you need to do some additional settings, you can do with this tab. So come to the form section. Okay, for example, this is a field. Your name required, your email, subject, your message. How it create? Let's see. Label, your name required. This first thing, label, your name required. See, your name required. Second things, text, your name, and close with the label. So this blank field create with this. So now we understand how this field create and how this your name required created. So sometimes we have to additionally add some things more. Suppose your name, your email, subject, your message body here. If you want to add a more field, suppose you want to add phone number, gender, you can easily do it. So let's see how to do it. Where we want to do it? Okay, your name, then next field we want to do your phone number. So come here, you can copy it, enter, you can add this field here. So first this is your name required, and second your name required. So you want here your mobile number, so write it down here. Required. So save it and let's see what is happening. See, here is adding a additional field, name, your name, mobile number, but show here the name because we did not correct the field section. So come to the field section now. Here you see the text option, but we need here the mobile number, so delete it. Come here, the tail, you see the tail here, telephone number, and this field, if you want this field required, so click here, required. Okay, is the default things, no need to remove or no need to change. If you want to change it, you can do it. Then default value, if we want it, you can add plus 44 here. So 44 here, so this will show in your blank page. Use this text as the placeholder of the field. Okay, click here, and ID attribute and class attribute. This is, if you know CSS, so you can work on it. So now we can ignore it. Just insert tag here. Okay, when we insert it, then look, this is changed. Now save here and let's see what is happening. Okay, see what we created now, just here the phone number, and this is required. We tick the required, so this is required. Now come to the place again. Suppose you want to put a field that is drop down. Okay, copy it, and after email address, name, after name we can add it, and we can write here gender, GENDER. Okay, gender here, and same thing, we can delete it and adding, and we'll add a drop down. Where is drop down? Here we find a drop down menu, you see. So come here, this is also, I can put here required, and what will in that drop down, suppose gender, female, male, other. If you want to multiple selection, then you can click here. So this is gender option, female, male or other, so no need to allow multiple section. Okay, ID attribution, you know what is this, and class attribution, no need. Okay, this is done. Insert tag, and see, here is changed. Now save and go here. Okay, just refresh here. See, there is a drop down menu, but if you want to blank this first field, so you can also do it. Look how to do it. Okay, come here. Okay, drop down it here, so delete it. Drop down menu here, require field, female, male, other. Insert a blank item as the first option. So just insert it. Now save it. Now see, here's the F shown, but now if I refresh it, so F will gone. Okay, let's try. See, the first field is blank, female, male and other. So hope you already understand about the basic setting of contact form. In the next class, I will discuss you how to set up this email section, this mail section and mail body section. So stay with her. Thank you very much.